Hello friends, hope you're well, and today's video is about coconut shells crafts. Coconut shells are versatile material that have been used for centuries to create a variety of crafts. These crafts are popular in many countries, particularly in tropical regions where coconut trees are abundant. Coconut shell crafts can take many forms, from household items such as bowls and utensils to decorative items like jewelry and figurines. The shells can be carved, polished, and painted to create intricate design and patterns. One popular use of coconut shells is for making bowls and utensils. The hard, durable shell is perfect for holding food and liquids. The natural texture and the color of the shell make for a beautiful and unique addition to any kitchen. Another popular use of coconut shell is for creating jewelry. The shells can be cut into different shapes and sizes, then polished and shrunk together to create necklaces, bracelets, and earrings. The natural pattern and the color of the shell make for a stunning and organic look. In addition to household and decorative items, coconut shells can be used for musical instruments. The shells can be hollowed out and fitted with strings to create instruments such as the kalimba or maracas. You can use shells for your plant planters, and you can make them a hanging planter, or you can put it on your table or coffee tables or in the kitchen also. Coconut shells craft are not only beautiful but they are also eco-friendly. By using a natural and sustainable material, these crafts are great alternative to products made from plastics or other synthetic materials. In addition, coconut shell crafts are a wonderful way to showcase the beauty and versatility of this natural material. Whether used for household items, decorative pieces, or musical instruments, coconut shells are a great choice for anyone who loves eco friendly and unique crafts. So, this is all about today's video. I hope so you like this unique idea of planters and making the decoration pieces at your home. If you like our channel, subscribe us and hit the like